Hello and welcome to the Arlo Lab. My name is Anna and I am your virtual technical assistant. Today we will be going over how to install devices, connecting them to Wi-Fi using the new Bluetooth method, and what we need to make sure of before installing. Let's dive right in. Please note that the new Bluetooth method is not available for all devices, and that all devices, whether dual band or single band, require a 2.4 GHz network for installation. If you are unsure which frequency your router is emitting, please contact your internet service provider and if need be, turn off the 5 GHz network or split your Wi-Fi signals. In order to connect a device directly to Wi-Fi using Bluetooth, from the device's page tap on the plus icon and tap on your device type. Next, choose the camera series. We'll be adding the Essential Series camera. When it comes to the Essential Series, you will additionally have to select the generation. We'll be adding the second generation in this step. For this model and method, we will need to make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your Arlo app device. Once enabled, press the sync button at the top of the camera for 3 seconds and a blue LED will start flashing on the front. Thanks to the Bluetooth method, when the device is found, we can find out the battery level of the device. Next, tap on Continue and choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. The list will show only 2.4 GHz networks. If you cannot see your network, tap on Show More Networks, and if it is still not visible, ensure that your network is emitting a 2.4 GHz network and tap on Manually Enter Network Name. Afterwards, enter the password for your Wi-Fi and tap on Continue. The app will then show a progress bar of the device connecting to Wi-Fi, as well as adding to your account. Once it is completed, you will be able to name your device, and next the camera will search and install any firmware updates. Now all that is left is finding a good mounting spot with a strong connection that oversees exactly what you would need. Once mounted, tap Continue and lastly on Finish and we are ready to use the device. We hope this video answers your questions regarding connecting devices to Wi-Fi using Bluetooth. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other videos about adding devices and the functionality of the app.